Nokia C3 with HD Plus display, 3,040 mAh battery may launch. Nokia C3 is reported to launch in India soon. New marketing material for the device has leaked online, hinting that HMD Global may be gearing up to launch the phone in the country. The Nokia C3 was launched in China earlier this month, and its key features include an octa-core processor and 3,040 mAh battery. The phone comes with an 8-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera for videos, calls and selfies. The phone has traditional bezels up front and a fingerprint sensor at the back. Nokia C3 India launch is around the corner. The poster suggests that the phone may come with 1-year replacement guarantee. It also teases key features of the device: a 5.99-inch HD Plus screen, all-day battery life, 8-megapixel rear camera, 5-megapixel front camera, rear fingerprint sensor, and Android 10 software. The poster tips that the Nokia C3 may launch in India in the same Nordic blue and gold sand color options that have been made available in China. Nokia C3 price. The poster does not reveal the official launch date or pricing of the Nokia C3 for the Indian market, but it could be priced around the same range as China, whereas it is sold at 699 Chinese yuans, roughly 7,500 rupees, for the sole 3GB plus 32GB model. Nokia C3 specifications. Nokia C3 features a 5.99-inch HD Plus, 720 by 1440 pixels, IPS display and is powered by an octa-core processor, paired with 3GB of RAM. The Nokia C3 comes with 32GB of onboard storage that is expandable via microSD card, up to 128GB. As for the cameras, the Nokia C3 has a single 8-megapixel image sensor on the back and a 5-megapixel image sensor up front. There is a 3,040 mAh battery. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n, 4G, Bluetooth v4.2, GPS, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB port. The phone has a fingerprint scanner on the back. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.